Good day. Today we have our Momentum C2 preamplifier. I'm going to cover the features on the front and the back and show you how to use the remote for this installation video. So our Momentum preamplifier has a couple of different inputs on here. This one has the streaming module in it. The front is labeled input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4, headphone, tone, standby, mute, coaxial, optical, USB, tone control and treble, bass, and our headphone jack. So right now our preamplifier is in standby, and we'll turn it off. And right here we have input 1. You can see that we have renamed this to turntable because it has our streamer module in it. Input 2, 3, 4. To use your headphones, go ahead and move the little window over. Put your headphone jack in and press the headphone. Headphones are activated and you can listen to your different inputs. Headphones off. To activate the tone controls, press tone. You'll see it displayed down here. We're at 0 bass, 0 treble, and we can adjust it and it'll display here. The mute button will flash green. Let's deactivate it. Here we have our coaxial, our optical, which we've renamed TV, and our USB. Put the amp back into standby, press standby. We can change our volume from here. We see the volume move, and it also tracks on our remote. And we can see that when we change the remote, it also follows the unit's volume. If you push it on the remote, it'll go to return, which will take you back, or you could toggle through your inputs. And you see that it's been relabeled turntable, input 2, 3, 4, go to your network settings, TV, settings feature. You can change our balance, our tone, convert, headphone, dark mode, more info. And you can just push through and get back to the home whenever you want. So to get our preamp started, we're going to plug in our power, flip the switch, preamp is on. This is our main antenna right here, so we're going to screw this on. This is for our remote control. If you have the streaming module, you will have 2 antennas, and if you don't, there will only be 1. Just like that. Make sure they're tight. Hand tight is fine. Then we're going to plug in our XLRs. This is the left, this is the right. So we're going to plug in our right channel. And our left. Here we have our RS-232, 12-volt trigger. There. RCA jacks, XLRs. On the streamer, we have USB, optical, coaxial, and our Ethernet port. We recommend using Ethernet, but if you don't, you can go through the app and connect through Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching our Momentum C2 preamplifier installation video. Please give us a like and subscribe.